is solving the problems related to rational numbers. In worksheet 3, we are going to solve the problems 1, 2, 1, 5, 7, 11, 14, 15, 17 and 22. Remaining you have to do on your own. The problem number 1 is given like this. If P by Q into A is C, where C is neither prime nor composite, then value of A is. Here one clue is given, that number C which is neither prime nor composite. There is only one number which is neither prime nor composite. What is prime number? If the factors of any number is only 2, 1 and itself, then the number is called prime number. Composite number have more than 2 different factors. One is neither prime nor composite. Why? Because its factor is only 1 itself. So here given value C equal to 1. The product of two rational numbers which are P by Q into A equal to 1. Why? Because C equal to 1, which is neither prime nor composite. So when the product of two rational numbers is 1, then the two rational numbers are multiplicative inverse to each other. It is multiplicative inverse, also known as reciprocal of the number. What is the reciprocal of the number, rational number P by Q, which is Q by P? So here A equal to Q by P. So if you multiply P by Q given number with its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, both are cancelled, you will get 1 as the answer. So this is the application of properties of rational numbers. Let us solve the problem number 5. Now I am reading, you have to observe and listen carefully. If A equal to 3 to the power of 1 by 8, 108. If A equal to 3 to the power of 4, 108. And B and C are multiplicative and additive identities. We are well known. B is multiplicative identity, C is additive identity here. But multiplicative identity is 1, additive identity is 0. So B value is given indirectly, multiplicative identity, that one is 1. So C equal to 0, additive identity. Now what is the value of A into B plus C? This is the question. So here the property, distributive property over addition of rational numbers is given. You have to apply the property here. What is distributive property over addition? If A, B, C are any three rational numbers, then A into B plus A into C equal to A into B plus C, or A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So here I am writing A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Now the value of A equal to 3 to the power of 108. Value of B, which is 1, plus value of A 3 to the power of 108. Value of C, which is 0. 3 to the power of 108 into 1. Any number is multiplied by 1, you will get the same value, plus 0, which is equal to 3 to the power of 108 as the answer. Here multiply any number with 0, you will get the 0. This is the problem number 5. So 1 and 5 are completed. Let us discuss about 7. Problem number 7. If 3136 by 9604 is a rational number, then reduced form is. If 3136 by 9604. So you have to find out its reduced form. So when do you get reduced form or simplest form or lowest form or irreducible form of a rational number, you have to divide both terms of the rational number by the HCF. If you don't know the HCF, start with the least prime factor. Both are even numbers, you can divide them by 2. So here I am dividing 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 1 1, 11 here, 3 5s are 10, again 1 3, 3 6 are 12, 1 6, 3 8s are 16, here 2 4s are 16, 2 8s are 0s are 2 2s are. Now 2 7s are 14, 1 6, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 4s are 8. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0s are 1. Here both are not even numbers. One is even, one are prime. You have to apply the divisible rules here. Divisible by not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4. Both are not divisible by 4. Now divisible by not divisible by 5, not divisible by 6. Let us apply 7. Here 7. 7 ones are 7. Again 7 ones are 7, 14. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 3 0. 30. Now 7 fours are 28. 7 threes are 21. 1 1 2 and 343. Again 7. 7 ones are 7. 42. 7 6 are 42. Now 7 4s are 28. 63. 7 9s are 63. So reducible form 16 by 49. These two numbers are co-prime numbers. When both terms of the fractions are co-prime numbers, then the fraction is in the simplest form or irreducible form. Your answer is 16 by 19, 49. 16 by 49. Let us discuss about the problem number 11. Here problem number 11 is given like this. Level 3. If x is an element of whole numbers which is not present in set of whole numbers, and y equal to 3 by 4 plus bracket of minus 5 by 6, then x plus y plus x into y is. Here x value given. X is an element of whole numbers which is not present in set of natural numbers. What is the number such that which is in the set of whole numbers, not in the set of natural numbers? You are well known about it is 0. So x equal to 0. Y given. What is y? Y equal to 3 by 4 plus of minus 5 by 6. Now you have to find out x plus y plus x into y. X plus y plus x into y. To find out this value, you need to find out y value first. Let us find out y value first. What is y value? Y equal to 3 by 4 plus of minus 5 by 6. Yeah, not like fractions. Convert them into like fractions. LCM is, I think, 24. You can find here also. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 12 only. 2 into 3 equal to 12. LCM is 12. Now multiply 4 into 3, 12. So here 3 into 3, 9. 3 by 12 minus 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10. So 10 by 12, which is equal to minus 1 by 12. So y value minus 1 by 12. Now we have x value 0, y value minus 1 by 12. That will do here x plus y 0 plus y value minus 1 by 12 plus into minus minus plus x into y. So here x value 0, y value minus 1 by 12. What happened? So minus 1 by 12 plus 0 into any number 0. So what value did you get? Minus 1 by 12, which is also equal to y value. So here y equal to minus 1 by 12. Your option are given like this. Option A 2y, option B minus y, option C minus 1 by y, option C y. Here y value again came, that's why option D is correct answer. Next question. 11 completed. Question number 14. If A and B are factors of 17, P, Q are first three multiples of 2, then P plus Q plus R by A plus B plus P, Q, R by A plus B. You have to find out this value. Clues are A and B are factors of 7. So A comma B are factors of 17. So factors of 17. 17 is a prime number. It has only two factors, 1 and itself. So A equal to take 1, B equal to 17. Next, P, Q, R are the first three multiples of 2. What is P and Q and R? First three multiples. Here 2 into 1 is 2. First multiple of 2, second multiple of 2 and the third multiple of 2. 2 3s are 6. Now let us substitute the values here. P plus Q plus R. 2 plus 4 plus 6. 2 plus 4 plus 6 by A plus B. 1 plus 17 plus P, Q, R. 2 into 4 into 6. 2 into 4 into 6. A plus B. 1 plus 17. Now here 2 plus 4 8 plus 6 12. 12 by 18 plus 6 4s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 by 18. So like fractions came, LCM is 18. Sum of the numerators by the common denominator. 48 plus 12 gives 60. So it is not in the simplest form. Convert into simplest form. Divisible by 6. 6 tens are 6 3s are. Now 10 by 3 is the correct answer. Your option B. Option A 40 by 3, option B 10 by 3, option C 20 by 3, option D 50 by 3. So this is the problem number 14. Let us discuss problem number 15. If you multiply 4 by 9 whole square by 6561 by 64, then the square root of the resultant is. Now this is the problem given. Numerical expression 4 by 9 whole square is multiplied by 6561 by 64. You have to find out the square root of the result. First of all, find out the result. What will happen? 4 4s, this can be written here 4 square by 9 square into 6561 by 64. Here 4 square 16, 9 square 81, 6561 by 64. 16 ones are 16 fours are 18 ones are 81 ones are 81. 81 into 81 you can say. So here 81, here 8 64 6 5 6 1. Now here remaining are 81 by 4 is the resultant value, but you have to find out the square root of resultant value. Square root of resultant value. Then square root of 81 by 4. Square root of 81 is 9 and square root of 4 is 2. So this is our answer. If you convert into mixed fraction, you will get 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 by 2. 2 4 and 1 by 2. Which is also equal to 4 and 1 by 2. Question number 15 also completed. Let us discuss about 17th one. 17th one, nice one. Simplify that. If 29 by 10 plus 367 by 100 plus 468 by 1000 is equal to A plus B plus C, then A into B plus C. So observe here, given numerical expression is 29 by 10 plus 367 by 100 plus 468 by 1000 equal to A plus B plus C. Then you have to find out A into B plus C. So given values Q's are in the place of A 29 by 10, in the place of B 367 by 100, in the place of C 468 by 1000. So here A into B plus C equal to, right now, 29 by 10 into or bracket of 367 by 1000 100 plus 468 by 1000. So these two are unlike fractions. You can convert them like fractions. If you multiply first one 367 by 100 by 10, here it becomes like this. Now you can add it to 29 by 10 into 3670 plus 468 8 13 11 4 4138 by 1000. Now multiply 4138 into 29, which is 9 7s 9 8s are 72, 9 3s are 27 plus 7 9 3s are 20, 9 3s are 27 plus 7. What is it? 27 plus 7 14 34 3 9 ones are 9 plus 3 12. Here 9 fours are 36 plus 1 37. Again 2 8s are 16 1 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 2 1s are 2 2 4s are 8. Now 2, 10, 10, 10, 12. Here by 10,000, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 12.202. Like that, you have to solve using here distributive property over addition. The last and final problem, question number 22. What is it? A equal to 15 by 16, B equal to 48 by 45 by 8, C equal to minus 4 by 3, then the sum of A divided by B into C and minus 16 by 9 is. So A value given 15 by 16, B value given 45 by 8, C value given minus 4 by 3. First of all, you have to find out A is divided by B into C. What is the value? Let us find out. What is A value 15 by 16. B value is divided by B value 45 by 8 into C value minus 4 by 3 equal to 15 by 16 into. So division of two fractions, you have to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. 8 by 45 into minus 4 by 3. 15 ones are 15 3s are 8 ones are 8 2s are. So here 1 by 6 into minus 4 by 3, which is equal to minus 4. Cancel it. Minus 2 2s are 2 3s are minus 2 by 9. Again, you have to find out the value of this sum of this one and minus 16 by 9. So the value of A divided by B into C plus minus 16 by 9. This value we have find out minus 2 by 9 plus minus 16 by 9. Minus 2 minus 16 by 9 like fractions. Add the numerators, which is equal to minus 18 by 9. Now minus 2. 9 ones are 9 2s are minus 2 is the answer. These are the problems we have learned now. Let us discuss remaining problems tomorrow.